see, you're like, wait, that water looks pretty cloudy. Yeah, I previously cooked some garbanzo beans in it, and rather than clean the pot, I'm just going to let that aquafaba do a little bit of its magic deliciousness. So here we go. Lentils going in the pot. The ratio of beans to water is approximately 1 to 1. I don't know how long lentils take to cook. Okay, and then my still not quite as organized as it once was, but I'm still pretty proud of it. Organized cabinet. All I'm grabbing is kosher salt, pepper, grapeseed oil, and onion. I think that's all I'm adding for now, but I will add other things later. Alright, it turns out I'm not even recording. So we got onions, and I just cut all those up. We've got pepper, oil, a little bit of grapeseed oil, some salt, pepper, barley, and lentils. It is lentil soup after all. We've got some carrots cut up. These are from my friend and coworker who created that amazing crudité board that you may have seen featured in a holiday episode. That feels right. About the right amount of carrots, but I am going to add just a little bit more of it. I'm feeling just a little bit more. We'll leave the thing. Skin off. Right. I don't know what's going on in this movie, but it's not holding my attention at all, obviously. I think it's Puppet Master, but the horror needs to start, and the music, when the music indicates the horror has started, I will go back and watch it. Alright. More onions, more onions. I'm going to add some turmeric, because turmeric is always a friend. Some paprika. Paprika is always our friend. I was going to add some celery. Celery flakes. Okay. And then, because it's soup, never hurts to add a little bit of, oh my gosh, stock or broth. Uh-oh, I just gotta find it. Okay. Okay. That was a little bit annoying. Let's see. Open. Oh, that one's open and already has an open. Yeah, okay. So we're going to use veggie cube. Alright, we'll check in on the soup in a little bit. Thanks for watching. Found the garlic powder. Excuse me. Don't know why it keeps. Alright, here's where we are right now. We're just going to let it do its thing for a minute. Found the garlic powder. Here we are sometime later. I'm going to taste test it and just see if they're cooked. And then if they're not, we can cook them a little bit more. That's actually perfect. Oh, but is the barley going to be cooked? No, it's soup, so I'm going to add some more. Let me taste and see if the barley is cooked. The barley is cooked. But since it is soup, like I said, I'm going to add a little bit more water. There's any harm in that. Okay. But it tastes good and it's cooked. Now it's too watery. It needs more something because I added too much water. But, alright. Was it need? There's that right now. A little bit more salt. Just a little. A little bit more pepper. Let's see, is that what I want? Is that what I mean? Yes. Some cumin. Some coriander. Oh, that's a lot. That's probably more than I meant to. Some cayenne. And not some cloves, just because it's right there. And I'm like, C's! All the C's! No. Oh, maybe a little bit more celery. So yeah, now adding some cayenne right now. Oh! I know what it is. I know what I am. This, which is Butler chicken style seasoning, which is a blend, and it's made from a bunch of stuff. Soy protein, cane juice, which is sugar, soy sauce, which is salt. It has, sea salt, onion, garlic, celery seed, turmeric, basil, cayenne. Yeah. So this is, this is just a general purpose seasoning that I like to add to a lot of things. Okay. And then, let's see. Interesting. Yeah, no, it felt too watery a moment ago. And already it's thickened up. But I just want to taste the broth. Yeah, that's good. Oh, wow, no, that has a kick. Wow. Right, that's a little bit zestier than I meant it to be, but I think that's okay. I'll survive. Alright, I am going to let that cook for a little bit and then make a grilled cheese and have some dinner. Thanks for watching. Is more or less done. I guess my last step is just to add a bunch of spinach. And yeah, literally I'm just tossing it in like that, like hot pot style, and then just putting the lid back on and letting the steam and all that do its thing. It's now off. It's now once. I'll leave it on warm for a moment, but I'll come back and check it shortly, and then what's that? We have soup. Really cheap soup. Pretty limited ingredients. Yeah, my fridge is looking pretty good right now too. Actually, as much as I'm bragging about my organization. All right. Well, yeah. Meanwhile, my stove is like covered. Okay, never mind. My organization is still in progress. Boop, 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 boop. Actually, these are no, it's like a fruit basket. Picture of the dogs. That's where the rice cooker usually lives, and I'm not using it. I should, I keep that bench over there. That stuff needs to go downstairs. Thanks for watching. Alright, so the soup is done. That's it. And then I'm working on a grilled cheese. Oh, I can turn the light on. See, it's not quite there yet. But yeah, I'm working on a grilled cheese. Hi, Choo Choo. But soup is done. Alright, that's it. This is the soup. That's the sandwich. Mother. Alright, this is it. I'm going to try this soup. My sandwich. Yeah, no, that's good. I think I added more cayenne than I intended. The overall cannot complain. Yeah, no, that is good. What?